So class 5, today we are going to do the format of formal letter writing. So please write the heading formal letter writing, which is in the yellow highlight. Then you write everything, whatever I have written here. First of all, you write formal letter writing, what it is. You have to write a letter written for a formal purpose is called a formal letter writing. It addresses a serious issue. Okay. And after that, you have to write what are the types of formal letter. So keep on writing fast. I have to move. I hope all of you are writing here. Keep on writing. The types of formal letter are letter to the editor, letter to the government, letter to the police, letter to the principal of school, order letter, complaint letter, inquiry letter, business letter, application letter for job, letter to the bank manager, invitation letter, resignation letter, leave application, leave application for marriage, and leave application for maternity. These are the different types of formal letters which we generally use. Whoever has joined now, I can see someone has joined now. We are doing formal letter writing. Please write the heading formal letter writing. Then you write the definition of formal letter writing. A letter written for a format purpose is called a formal letter. It addresses a serious issue. This is a definition of formal letter. Then you write the subheading, types of letter, and after that, give on numbering it and keep on writing the type of formal letter. Which are letter to the editor, letter to the government, letter to the police, letter to the principal, order letter, complaint letter, inquiry letter, business letter, application letter for job, letter to the bank manager, invitation letter, resignation letter, leave application for marriage, leave application for maternity. These are the different types of formal letter. If you all have written down, then I am moving the page. I hope all of you have written. I am moving the page for further. These are the formal letter notes. Now write the subheading, formal letter notes. Write the subheading, formal letter notes, and then keep on writing all these points which you have to keep in mind. The following points need to be taken into consideration while writing a formal letter. Subheading लिखो, formal letter notes, और उसके बाद जो भी लिखा हुआ है कॉपी करो. The following points need to be taken into consideration while writing a formal letter. A formal letter strictly follows the prescribed format for formal letter writing. Then, the use of colloquial words, abbreviations, and slang language should be restricted while formal letter writing. Colloquial words are average slang language जैसे okay, WhatsApp, ऐसा लैंग्वेज नहीं लिखा जाता फॉर्मल लेटर में. ओके then a formal letter must be precise and to the point, and the subject line is very important in a formal letter. Please keep on writing, then I will give you the last portion. This is the format of a formal letter. Now write down the format of a formal letter here. The formal letter format is as follows. Sender's address. The address and contact details of the sender are written here. It includes email and phone number if required or if mentioned in the question. Second, date. The date is written below the sender's address after leaving one space or line. Third, receiver's address. The address of the recipient of the mail, the officer of principal or editor is written here. Now, fourth point, the subject of the letter. The main purpose of the letter forms the subject. It must be written in one line. It must convey the matter for which the letter is written. Number 5, salutation. Sir, respected sir or madam, this is called a salutation. Number 6, body. The matter of the letter is written here. It is divided into 3 paragraphs as follows. Paragraph 1, introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. In paragraph 2, give detail of the matter. And in paragraph 3, conclude by mentioning what you expect. For example, a salutation to your problem, to highlight an issue in the newspaper, etc. 7, complimentary closing. And 8, sender's name, that is signature and designation if any. So this is all. I know if any of you could not finish the earlier part, or if you miss out anything, I'm going to send in your WhatsApp this complete formal letter, whatever I made you write here in PDF, you copy it down from there. Is it clear? I will also send in help decks. I hope all of you are writing. Okay. Whoever could not finish, I will send you in your WhatsApp this same letter. I have to end my class here. I'm ending my class here. Okay.